Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video today I'm going to show you how to install phone style on iPhone, iPad, iOS 15. So let's get started with it without wasting time. First of all, you have to tap on setting and scroll down, tap on journal and scroll down, tap on fonts. So as you can see, no phone install. You can download apps that install phone from the app store. So you have to tap on open the app store and tap on search bar and type here fonts for iPhone. So guys, scroll down and tap on fonts. So guys, waiting for installation fonts in my phone. Few seconds. And tap on open and tap on get start and ask app not to tap it and tap on go to setting back home screen and tap on any apps and change keyboard, tap it and tap on keyboard and tap on add new keyboard and tap on fonts. So back and tap on keyboard, tap fonts. So guys, change your keyboard, it's work and any change keyboard. So if you have any problem, let's comment. If you like my video, so like, comment, share, and thanks for watching videos. Thank you.